Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I've come up to show you making of this beautiful heavily designed sleeves pattern, which is so simple to do, and this will really gives rich elegant look which we can try using the normal stitching needle. So let's quickly start with this designing. I'll be using the golden lace. This is how it looks. This is 5 rupees per meter, which is easily available in the tailoring material shops or in any fancy stores. Also using gold antique zardosi for this designing. We have to measure this length accordingly as per our requirement. So here I'd be starting with the minimum size of this is of 2 inches and placing it on the sleeves, and we need to give the stitch for the joining of this golden lace. And on this lace I'd be also giving the stitch for the joining of these golden beads. This is very simple technique, yet it looks very rich and elegant look, which the pic which I have shown is exclusively designed for the bridal collection, which you can also try for the party wear collection. And this is how we have to give the joining for the beads. And next to this I'll be placing gold antique zardosi. This is 1 inch we have to take extra. Just besides this lace we have to place it like this and give an invisible stitches on it, and at this tip we have to join the golden bead. These are customized designer patterns which we can also customize as per a requirement. So this is the step-by-step process I would be showing. Next to this I'd be again joining the gold zardosi string. Here I had increased the size little bit more than the previous one. So like this we have to increase the size. So going on in the center the size will be increased, and vice versa the size will be decreased to another side. And this is how we have to follow the pattern. Zardosi string next to this golden lace, again gold zardosi string, and again gold lace, and in this leftover gaps I'd be applying the glue to stick honey color kundans. This is how the pattern will be continued. Next I had increased the size 1 more inch of this golden lace, and this is how we have to increase little by little. Place besides this zardosi string and give the stitch for the joining of this golden lace. Again we'll join the golden beads, and with the honey color kundan, here I'd be elaborating step by step so that it will make your work easy to do, as these are very creative patterns and it's been exclusively designed in the boutique. It's really very expensive if you want to try this design to be done outside, but you can also try at home, which is very minimum charges you can pay for these materials, and we can create it this much rich and expensive designer blouse. This is how the pattern will be continued on the neckline, also on the sleeves, and I hope sharing of this idea is useful to you all. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your community or circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends.